Hello everyone, Immaculate here. Today we are going to make a pot in Blender. So first of all, we're going to get rid of this cube by deleting it. So then we're going to add a UV sphere. Then we're going to go into edit mode. So this is where we're going to start from. So first thing I'd like to do is to go to front view. Then from solid mode to wireframe, like that, so that I can see everything. So we're going to select the top part by hitting on B, then select this top part, like that. Then I'm going to scale it on the Z-axis by hitting 0, like that. So this one I'm going to push it up a little, then I scale it down like that, then I'll push it up more, like that. Perfect. Then I'm going to add some edge loops, around 3. Yes, that one will do. Then I'll scale this down a little, like that. So this is our basic shape of a pot. Then from there I want to delete the faces on top of the pot so that we can have our top. We can have the top of our pots. So I'll click on the faces. Let me get to solid mode so that I can be able to see them clearly. I'll hit on C. Then I select all these. Oops, just a moment. C. I'll just deselect this one, like that. Then if you hit X, then you delete the faces. You remain with the opening of your pots. So this is the basic shape of my pot. So from here, I like to add a subdivision modifier, like that. I'll increase the view to 2. Then back to edit mode, object mode, I'll click on smooth so that you can smooth the surface of my pot. So it is pretty good. Then I will add solid modifier so that you can increase the layering of the pots, so it has some thickness. So I'll push it to 0.63. Yeah, I like that one. But you can always play around with the thickness so that you get the perfect thickness you like. But me, I think I'll take this one. I like that one. So that is that with our pot. So our pot will have something to sit on it and a cover to cover the mouth of the pot. So just go ahead and add a cylinder. Then I will scale it down on the axis. Not that much. Good. So I'll push it down a little, like that. Good. And then tap to go to edit mode. I like to add some edge loops here because I want to add subdivision surface and I don't want it to collapse. I just want it to be like this. So I just select the whole of it so that I can scale it down a little. Good, so that it can match the shape of my pots. Then up to the modifiers, I will add subdivision surface. So when you get to object mode, you can be able to see my subdivision surface apply there. Then I'll click on smooth. So that is the bottom, the place where the pots can sit on. Then from there, I'll just duplicate that one by hitting Shift D. And I just put it on top of my pots. Maybe you can go to front view so that you can view it clearly. So you can just push it like this and up a little, and like, yeah, that one. So just scale it just a little so that it doesn't appear. So let me go to front view so that I can be able to see, to make sure it is in the center. Good. I like that. So the next thing is the floor. I need to make a floor where my pots will be sitting on. So you can add in a plane, push it down, scale it out like that. So next I'm gonna do housekeeping so that you can have everything named accordingly. So that one is the floor, that one is the pot itself, pots. That was the should I call it the bottom or the seat? I'll call it the seat of the pot. Then this one, the cover. Yeah, that is that. So I'm about to see it. Yeah, like that. So the next thing we're going to work on the material of the pot and all that. So let us meet in the next video, but before that let me push this one up like this. Let me get to front view and push it up like this so that the pot sits on the floor. So that is cool. See you in the next video.